How you guys doing? This is Derek with Dullen Woodworking, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Carbinox Edge watches. Now it comes in a matte black, which is this one, and a matte silver, which we will take a look at in a little bit. Now I am a big fan of these. These are awesome watches, extremely durable, and for the price point, you cannot beat this. There's the Apple watches, which are like $700, $800. They're probably just going to keep going up in price, and they don't reach probably half of what this thing is durability wise. This thing can be ran over with a vehicle, which I have done, and it really did hold up and it was completely fine. It can be soaked in oil, it can be dropped on concrete, whatever you can do to this thing will endure. And if it does break, Carbonox stands behind their watches and they will replace it, no questions asked. It's got a lifetime warranty, which Apple definitely does not do, or any other watch brand. I found myself not even wanting to wear my Apple Watch because I didn't want to actually like break it and then just be out that $700. I don't own an Apple Watch anymore. This is my watch. Now, this thing is made of stainless steel with Gorilla Glass. Extremely durable. Like I said, this thing can hold up to anything, especially here doing woodworking. It is waterproof, dustproof, which is really important here, and also shockproof. So this thing can hold up to anything you throw at it. Another great thing about these watches are the battery life. Now, I wore this for about a week and a half and it still had 63% left last night. So I ended up having to open up the box. I took out the charger and stuff, charged it up for this video, so now it is at 100. Or actually it's at 99% now. And so, I mean, that's pretty incredible for a watch battery. My previous smartwatch didn't come close to that. And that might depend on some of your settings too. I have the always on display on, so no matter what, there's always a time on it. And the raise to wake, which even if you're not looking at your watch and you're moving your arm, it could come on and that could wear some battery out too. But I have both those things active and it still was at 63% last night after like a week and a half of use. So I believe that speaks a lot to the battery life in these watches. Now, something else I want to talk about is the starter pack or bundle. I highly recommend it because it just comes with a bunch of different watch bands, which I highly recommend. I like to switch it up a little bit. I've been wearing this green one most recently. I really like it. It's got the little loops. Big fan of that one. This one's a black and orange one that is essentially the same thing. Wore this one for a little bit. There's a blue one that is the same thing with those little loops. But the green is my favorite. Green is probably my favorite color. This one is like a Velcro one, which is, you can't really tell it's Velcro, but what's really cool is you can dial it exactly where you want on your wrist and then tighten the Velcro and it does hold it really tight. It doesn't loosen up, anything like that. I wore that one for probably a couple months. So I kind of go back and forth between these two. Comes with the carbon fiber one, which is nice, the camo one, the metal one, which is probably a little classier. But here, doing woodworking, I pretty much stick between these two. The band that it comes with is also great. What I love about it, which I have worn it for a little bit, is it's got a little stretch to it. What I hate about, like, they weren't smart watches, but when I used to wear other like digital or analog watches, is the rubber bands, not necessarily rubber bands, but the actual watch band was such hard, thick rubber that you couldn't get exactly where I needed to be on my wrist. One was too tight, the other was too loose. This, with that little bit of stretch, you can actually kind of stretch it a little bit, get it on where you like it, and it still has some give to it. I feel like it's the perfect amount of stretch for a watch band. The ones that don't stretch at all, I just did not like. I feel like it only works if that's your exact setting where the notch is, which I wasn't. But anyways, I'm a big fan of these watch bands. Big fan of these watches in general. Another thing to talk about, I think it's worth noting, is the packaging. These things come packaged extremely well. You can tell that this was a thought-through process. It does come with a plastic piece over the watch itself, but I've removed that. You remove it out, there is foam right here that it is around. There's a foam slice here that the band kind of goes around. And this right here is what they call the Armor Silver. Super clean. I feel like it is very sleek. I'm actually showing it to you upside down. There you go, which is nice because it's that orange button that kind of shows you that that is the top of the watch, which I like. I like that these have like a little bit of a click to them when you push the button. Some of them don't. I kind of like having that click. But yeah, this is the Armor Silver. I'm a big fan of the black ones, but after opening this up and looking at this, I honestly can't decide. I may have to switch to this one. It's just really sleek. The watch comes with a charger, of course, and it comes with a screen protector, which I have not put mine on yet. I probably really should, but I have not done that yet. But it also comes with some instructions in there, other little odds and ends, but I cannot recommend these watches enough. I am a big fan. I'll show you them side by side. If you're looking for a smartwatch, I would not look any further than Carbonox. Let me cover that up. You can see them both. Well, the watch face is going to come on anyways because I tilted it up. But I cannot recommend these enough. I believe the fact that these are dust-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, and if anything ever did happen to them, that they replace it, no questions asked, I believe speaks volumes to Carbonox as a brand and as a company. So yeah, if you're looking for a smartwatch, I would look no further and I would go pick up a Carbinox Edge Watch today.